have COVID-19, coronavirus 19 mask. The Muslims in the back, you have some Muslim female scarves in your car made with different layers and ventilation on it. As a homemade style mask, it's not just the scarf, but it has plastic layers of ventilation. I have the do-rag scarf made same way with different layers of plastic on the inside or without. Also have homemade face shields with the bandana with the elastic to put on your head. The elastic band on your head, it can be made to cover under the chin, over the chin, or flat. I can design them how you want on them. You have COVID-19 sprayed with alcohol, among other things. You have one with bleach and other things to kill germs. You have a homemade plastic mask can be converted into COVID-19 style or the N19 mask. All this stuff is homemade. Majority of stuff you have gloves, but I'm selling them. I have bills to pay, and I'm trying to help another family. I'm trying to help a family move into an apartment. So get at me, share, like, subscribe. I have homemade, as I said, homemade face shield masks that you see them wearing. One here, one there, one here with the elastic band on the back, the hook to the back of your head, or however you may want it. I also have other T-shirt styles, mask that you can use. The kifaya Muslim scarf, not just the female niqab scarf. I'll be updating with the kifaya style Muslim scarf, how to convert that. Like and subscribe, and get at me if you need one.